I get this complaint quite often. Canning jar rings have a tendency to warp and not want to fit on the jars. You could force them on. Either way, it gets frustrating. You could force them on there. You could do, lots of things, but you end up just getting frustrated and want to throw them away. Okay, so I've found a simple solution is get some kind of a light source coming in from one way or the other. Spin your ring around. See that light down there? Down in this area down here. If you're going to spin it around 180, see there's no light coming through there. Spin it around 180 and you're going to see a light source there too. So you're going to pinch it right there at the light sources. Okay, give it a nice little pinch. Depends on how bad your warp is. Okay, put it down. Find those light sources again. Give it another little pinch, maybe a little bit more. Spin it around. My plastic's kind of warped here. Now let's see. That's pretty good actually. Let's see if it'll fit on the jar now. Oh, look at that. Problem solved every time. So there you go. You're welcome.